5 Health Benefits of Beef Jerky. Hey viewers, welcome to another video. In this video, we will show you the health benefits of beef jerky. Some people might scoff at the idea of chowing down beef jerky while on a diet. They simply don't understand the benefits of eating beef jerky. Beef jerky isn't generally thought of as healthy food, but it can be a good source of protein. However, it's almost always high in sodium. There are lower sodium types of jerky available, otherwise, it's best to eat beef jerky occasionally. 5. Filled with protein. One of the most prevalent things people praise about beef jerky is its high protein content. Most beef jerky ads highlight this, but are these factual? Keep in mind that 75 to 112 grams of protein is all they need to get through a day. People trying to lose weight need more, approximately 90 to 150 grams of protein per day. This is because people losing weight exert more effort exercising and need more energy to power through. Beef jerky can provide that energy. 4. Carbs in beef jerky. One piece of beef jerky pieces contains about 82 calories and just over 2 grams of carbohydrate. This is a low-carbohydrate food. Much of the carbohydrates in beef jerky comes from sugar and some come from fiber. The estimated glycemic load of a single piece of beef jerky is 1. 3. Less fat. People stay away from bacon and pork rind because these food products contain a large amount of fat. The good news is that beef jerky doesn't contain that much fat. Remember this important detail. Beef jerky is, at its core, dried meat. The process of making jerky removes most of the fat within the meat. The process also removes most of the moisture, which explains the tough texture of jerky. Since you get more protein than you do fat per serving of jerky, this should be one of your go-to snacks. Let's dive into that a bit deeper. 2. Micronutrients in beef jerky. 1 cup of beef jerky pieces has about 537 milligrams of potassium, 7 milligrams zinc, but also more than 1,800 milligrams of sodium. Nutrition information may vary based on what's used to flavor the beef jerky. A cup of beef jerky is also high in iron, magnesium, vitamin B12, and choline. 1. Convenient gym snack. Jerky isn't limited to in-between snacks. It's an ideal snack at the gym. As mentioned, it contains a lot of lean protein, iron, and zinc. It doesn't have that much fat, and the mere fact that it is meat guarantees you only need to eat a few strips to feel full. Being a great gym snack is a good reason to sign up for a beef jerky subscription. Signing up ensures you get all the jerky you need to fit your gym schedule and other physical activities. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and share it with your dearest one.